welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlamini'S from the 6th to the 8th of January 2025 on Monday. Vuma is stand by the Induna shocking request. Phetheni is surprised when Samke shares her moment of vulnerability and she doesn't know what to make of it on Tuesday. Vuma probes Sibongile about her future after the Induna's interesting request. An unexpected offer of friendship with an old acquaintance put Phetheni in a dilemma on Wednesday. Vuma meets with Induna. He has made a difficult decision regarding Sibongile's future. A newly invigorated Samke set off into befriending Phetheni. Tulsile has a big decision to make about being a professional mourner. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share.